murder's my hobby. Inside of my closet's a bunch of dead bodies and shit. Niggas say them cursed cause I go to church and stare at the Bible and shit. Shorty say I'm the worst cause I do my dirt. Now I'm behind this shit. Bitch, I'm a savage, I spit at you fast cause I wonder what you gonna do to me, oh. I need to hit someone rapping, I'm just not impressed by your cash and your jewelry, oh. All you my soldiers and I'm a lieutenant, god damn it, this shit be saluting me, oh. I hope you know I ain't going nowhere. All you ravages better get used to me, oh. Nigga, I must have blew on my jeans, bought me a Jeep cause I wasn't riding as much. My bank account looking weak, don't look at me, I ain't got time for no fun. Starting to feel like Tyrese, I'm about to trip, maybe start crying or something. I might just hit up the Smiths, on me a fit, wait for my wire to come. Ain't nobody give a show me love when I was coming up, I had to double up and tell these niggas buckle up before they ride. They don't really wanna knuckle up, I hit them with the uppercut, I had these motherfuckers running for their lives. Unidentified draft when I'm flying past, I'm an alien standing in if you look up in the sky. Blow your mind back, push your eyes back to your iPad, I'm an iPad, you can see the side when the bombs are loaded and your mind exploded in the wind. You won't sit down and pen. I was raised in a sword, me and the it-clown friends. Red balloons for your kids, stick my 2 finger bitch. I lost too many friends, I don't do good with kids. What you know about riding dirty in the evening? What you know about ramen noodles in a pack of Sasson seasoning? What you know about leaving the oven door open when there's no heat again? And the rent is due and your landlord trying to throw you out on the streets again. Nigga, I was always dreaming of a building in a fucking Lamborghini. Wanna win them in the fight, get a break. If I didn't get away before, I guarantee that if I talk to God, then I can say I got it when I pray. She don't really want me to get petty, so they tell me she a penny, but you know I got a lot of shit to say. I got just some water in a Henny, drink it up and let the semi shoot a pop you niggas all up in the face, blood all up in the lake. I wanna see awake die, they don't wanna wait by. Creep when I came by, teeth like a canine, bleed through your Levi, weak from the east side, eat when the beast hot, teeth from the teapot, aim from the treetop, bank to your knees pop, skirt in the Nissan, swerve in the 3 cops. You just a bird in a beehive, you just a cold in a room for the germ, nigga. I said all of my idols and favorite rappers ain't been rhyming a lot. What the fuck happened to Jay Electronica? I wonder if he still got it or not. Whatever happened to Elzai? Whatever happened to Meth? What happened to Vince? Whatever happened to Lauren? What happened to Banks? Tell me what happened to Blick? What the fuck happened to Most? What happened to Missy? Nigga, what happened to Ghost? Whatever happened to Q? What up with Common? What the fuck, where did they go? Tell me what happened to Buttons? What about Luda? Hope they ain't losing it now. Hope they get back to the music, cause I need some new shit. I'm sick of these new niggas out. I'm that new nigga. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 niggas wanna war, 10 niggas on the floor, 11 niggas on the porch, 12 killers wanna war, 13 carnivores, 14 Labradors, 15 dinosaurs, 16 avatars, 17 bombs or grenades at your rental car, 18 ways you could die when you have it all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bitches wanna fuck, 10 niggas wanna rush, 11 hitters on the bus, 12 they did one of us, 13 other guns, 14 runners up, 15 rubber gloves, 16 double pump, 17 shots in your face, you cut a love, 18 ways you could die trying to fuck with them. I'm willing to die for this shit. Said I'm ready to flip and end up in prison the rest of my life for this shit.